Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality backlink, and this website is best for you if you guys wanting to increase your website actually traffic, a quality traffic from the USA. So this is a best website, so where you guys will start contributing all the things. So in this website you guys will create any kind of a backlink, kind of a profile backlink, social bookmarking, article, image, video, audio, and many things. This site are having features. Okay, so before the started we can research something about this website. So according to Acharyaf, the domain rating is 62, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 38, and the spam score is only 6%. And according to Similar Web, this website having 86.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, India, Pakistan, Ukraine, Germany, and another country. So this site having mostly 90% traffic from USA. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. So this is a website URL usa.live, and after that simply you can click on the create a new account button, and there you can add your username, and there you guys will choose your email address, then you guys will choose your password, and you can choose your sex, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition, click on the let's go, and there you can add your picture. So make sure guys, if you guys are creating your company profile on this site, so this site might be going to disable your account, so you guys will consider to create your profile, your personal profile. So there you guys can add your picture, and after that you can click on the save and the continue, and there you can add your first name. So my first name is Prav Yadav, and the city is Delhi, and the country is India, and the birth is July, day 5, year is 2000. After that you can click on the save and update, and if you're wanting, so you can like some of the profile, then you can click on the continue with selected. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and here it is. You can see our profile is successfully created, and you can click on your profile. Again you can click on your profile, there is a edit button, you can click on this if you're wanting, so you can update your all details. City is New Delhi, and there is an option to you guys will add your phone number, so plus 9173034720, and after that you can click on the save. So these things we have added, and after that you can click on your profile, and if you wanting to, you can add your description, your location, working at. So there you can add your company name, DML training, and there you can add your company website, and also if you're wanting, so you can add your another website, then you can add relationship married something this. Then after that you can click on the save. So you have successfully added your website in the profile section, and after that you can click on the social links. So there you can add your social profile username, so Twitter, LinkedIn, pravindra.dms, YouTube, DML training, Instagram, prav.dms. So after that, you can click on the save. So we have updated successfully all the things. So what we can do, simply you can click on the home button, and if I can show you your profile backlink. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and if I can show you in incognito, so you can see this is your backlink, this is your all social channels, and where is our website. So let me show you where is our website. So you guys will made some changes. So simply you can click on the profile, there you can add your website URL. From there you can remove it, click on the save, and again, and you can see the website URL is available, but this is a no follow backlink. So successfully we have created our profile backlink. Now the time is to we can create another kind of a backlink. So this is my website, and recently I have published one new pages. So you can see this is a top forum submission sites list, and you can see there is I have published a category wise forum website. So technology and the IT related, these are the forum website, and the health and the wellness related, these are the forum website. So you guys will found your category related websites in this post, and also I can going to do the same thing with another profiles like profile creation, social bookmarking, the business listing. I can going to do the same things with these category as well. Okay, so let me create a image backlink for this. So top forum submission sites list. So simply you can click on this, and there you can add your description, then you can add your image. Where is my image? Is this download? Oh, so they do not support a WebP file. Okay, so what should I can do? So let me upload this image only for your reference. You guys will understand how you can create your image backlink. And if you're wanting, so you can add a short description about your image, and after that you can click on the post button. So you will see this is the backlink, and again we can click on the image. Good morning, Perv. So I guess, is there any requirement to we can verify our profile as well? No. So another thing is to you guys will see there is a lot of option to you guys will create a poll backlink, a video backlink, and the audio backlink, and the document backlink. So there is a lot of features to you guys will explore according to your requirement, and you can see there is another option available. So kind of you guys are able to create your groups, your pages, your blog, and many things. So suppose that if you can click on the blog, and you can see there is a plus icon, you can click on this, and from there you can create your classified ads backlink, you can create your blog backlink, and the event backlink, and if you guys are also able to create a pages on this website. So this is a best website to you guys will create. So suppose that I can show you how you guys will create your article backlink. So there you can add top forum submission sites list, and let me open. I have generated an article. Give me the short version for this article. give me the short version for this article. Submitted was too long, so let me remove something. Google Sheet for Excel, create sample. What is this? Generate version article for this. Uh, ChatGPT is not working, so just for your reference, let me use the fresh content. So there you can add your short description. So short description should be the meta description, and there you can add your content. So forum submission size list, and there is an option to you guys will customize your headings h2, and you guys will add your content. So suppose that let me add this one, and if you wanting to add any images, so there is an option to you guys will insert image, and you can click on the advanced. So okay, so you guys are able to add image through the sources. So suppose that let me copy the image URL, and let me paste it. Oh no, copy image address. Okay, so let me, yeah, so inserted. And if you wanting to insert your hyperlink any targeted keyword, so first you can select your keyword. So forum submission, so suppose that this is my keyword, and this is my website. So simply you can select your keyword, you can click on the insert link button, there you can paste your link, click on the OK, and after that there if you're wanting, so you can add your thumbnail, and there is a category option, so you can select your category, and in the tag you can add your keywords, backlinks, and you can click on the publish. So you can see this is your article, and this image is stretched, so according to you, you guys will customize image size, then you guys will update your image on this blog. And if I can show you our inserted, yeah, so this is I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved article or not. So you can see this is instant approved backlink article, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is a no follow, but yeah, we have created a high quality backlink from the authoritative website. And following the same method, you guys will create many things, kind of you can create your ad backlink. You can click on this, and this will be redirect you on the another interface. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. Okay, so I guess they are working for the classified ads, but right now this feature are not working. So you guys will explore this website. There are many features are available, so you can see get ad free or anything. So there is a lot of features, so you guys will, and also you guys are able to create your social bookmarking backlink. Okay, so overall this is a best website to you guys will gain a traffic from there. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking, and if you guys are watching till end, So thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care. I forget what I'm saying right now, so sorry for that. Okay, bye, take care.